seasoning that I'll be adding to the fish. I have my all-purpose seasoning, onion and garlic powder, I have some salt and black pepper. So what I did, I just give it a nice mix, and I'm gonna season the fish. You know, fish don't take a lot of seasoning like chicken, so you know you don't need to over add the seasoning, alright? And of course you wanna season inside of the fish. Just add a little seasoning there as well. And guys, I'm using red snapper fish, but I can always use a fish of your choice, alright? Okay, fishes are nicely seasoned. I have some leftover seasoning here, so we're gonna move on to the next step. So now I'm gonna add some oil to the pot. Just add enough oil just to fry the fish, because guys, and I don't know, some men I love deep fry, alright? So let's add a garlic clove just to flavor the oil. So guys, our garlic clove is getting golden brown. It has released all its flavors. So what I'm gonna do now is remove it from the pot because I don't want it to burn. Sure that the oil is relatively hot to fry your fish. So now I am going to add my fish to the hot oil. So when you're frying fish, ensure that your oil is relatively hot so that your fish does not stick to the pot. Okay, so guys, my fish kind of get a little damage right here, so, but it's all good. So guys, don't make the mistake that I made. Try to fry it in like a frying pan, because sometimes with the Dutch pot it can get damaged because it needs to be wider. So remember, I was showing you that this part of the fish got damaged. What you could also do, other than to using a bigger pot, if you're using like a Dutch pot, just add one fish at a time, alright? So I'm just gonna remove them from the pot, then I'm going to drain them, alright? Okay, so I'm gonna let the oil cool down, and then I'm going to remove most of the oil because you know all this flavor is in the pot from the fish. So I'm going to cook down the fish in the same pot, alright? But if you like, you could always change a pot and use another pot, alright? Or use a different oil then. So here I have my thyme, I have my red and green sweet pepper, I have my tomato, my onion slices. This is the garlic that I burnt. I'm gonna be using it. I have my scotch bonnet pepper. Now you can add more scotch bonnet pepper if you like. My carrot and my scallion. So I am going to add the garlic to the pot as well. Okay guys, so I removed most of the oil, so now I'm gonna add my seasoning. Now I'm just gonna add everything in there. Here I have my 2 garlic cloves. I'm adding my onions. I'm adding my carrots, my scallion, my tomato, and my scotch bonnet pepper. I'm also gonna add my sweet peppers as well. So guys, we're gonna mix them up nicely. Then I'm gonna add the leftover seasoning. I'm adding the leftover seasoning now, just to give my vegetables some nice taste, you know. flavor up the vegetables. So I'm gonna cook it like for a minute or so, just to bring the flavors together. I don't want to cook it too long because I don't want the vegetables to lose its color. So now I'm gonna add like a cup of water. Yeah, that's perfect. I'm going to add like a teaspoon of my fish and meat sauce. Give it a nice mix. Then I let it come to a boil and then I taste and see what it needs. Now I'm adding some tomato ketchup, maybe like about 2 tablespoons. I'm gonna add a little soy sauce. It's optional, you could add your browning. Nice mix. Let it come to a boil and then we're gonna taste and see what it needs. If we need some salt or need more seasoning, you know, we add it. Alright, so let me add a pinch of salt. It needs some salt, so I'm just gonna add a little. Mix it up. Okay, so it tastes alright, so I'm gonna add my fishes now, and I'm gonna put some of that nice vegetables on top. I know our fish full of flavor, you know. Let's add some of that veggies on top of the fish. Okay, and then I'm gonna cover the pot and let it cook down. Alright, for about 5 more minutes. Now guys, if you want your sauce darker than this, then you could add your browning. Alright, but this is just fine for me. Brown stew fish is all done. It is looking so juicy and delicious. So I'm just gonna put out the flame and then I'll show it on a plate. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you do want to try the recipe, comment down below and tell me what you think about the recipe. And if you're new here, a special welcome to you. Don't forget to subscribe and share the video, guys. It do help my channel to grow. See you next time and do take care of yourselves. Bye guys.